Hello everyone, this is Jyoti Mishra from My Clothing Treasure, and today I have a gorgeous Ghicha Tussar sari in the shade of orange and black. The border is black as you can see, and the body is dyed in a beautiful, it's burnt orange. I would say it's not a bright orange, it's a burnt orange, a earthy orange that's not too bright, but it stands out beautifully. And as you can see the texture, I would again like to show you the texture here. See, it has a little bit more texture than the regular tussar silk sari. I would show you closely. The weaving is again porous. As you can see, there is a lot of gap. So these are fit for warmer climates or for summers in India. And the border that you see here is a temple border. Every temple border that you see, if you notice closely, the shape of the temple is a little bit different. This also is a temple border, but as you can see, it's not a straight tapering line. It kind of goes like this, then this and this. So that's a very nice one. And the texture of the sari, it comes out beautifully even in this color. And these Ghicha Tussar saris, these are different from Tussar silk in the main making process. This is a byproduct of Tussar silk. Like the cocoons, if there is any deformity in the shape, size, or for some reason it has some kind of damage, and they consider it is not suitable to extract yarn from it, they keep it aside for later, and they try to extract yarns from the damaged pieces or the deformed pieces later on. And that yarn that they get from these cocoons, those were not fit for reeling tussar silk. From that yarn is called Ghicha Tussar. So you see, they never plan for Ghicha Tussar, but actually when they are reeling tussar silk, some cocoons are left behind, and then Ghicha Tussar is made from those. So that's the beauty of these Ghicha silk saris. Nature, that's the way nature works. If something is not fit for some particular job, that doesn't mean it's not useful at all. So that aside, I will show you the pallu. It's again Orissa ikat pallu. It's a beautiful pattern. You can see fish, flower. These are all our comes from these patterns that you see on Orissa ikat. These come from the culture of Orissa. And this pallu also has some orange stripes to match the sari. And this is the plain blouse piece in black. It's a beautiful contrast with the sari. Gorgeous. This color looks a little bit yellow in the video. I am mentioning it again, but it's not yellow at all. It's a burnt orange, a subtle orange that can be worn by any age group, and it's a beautiful one. I have one more in another shade and another pattern, but I hope for now you like this one.